Welcome to Mid-Michigan College. We are so excited to have you a part of our campus. My name is Eric Sander, and I'm the lead faculty member for the Drafting, Computer-Aided Drafting, and Product Design program here at Mid. People ask me, Eric, what do you do at Mid? Well, I teach my students how to draw pictures of things that are going to be built. It's that simple. There are so many exciting things happening in my program these days. We have 6 or 8 different 3D printers that my students will eventually learn how to plastic print 3D prototypes of their CAD models. I also prepare my students for a nationally recognized CAD certification exam. So that means when you graduate my program, you will have your CAD associate degree, but you're also going to be nationally certified, and that will help you find your first entry-level position once you graduate. I also have an internship requirement that every one of my students will enroll in during their last semester. This means once you've taken all the classes with me in my program, your first 3 semesters, your last semester I'll hook you up with a part-time CAD job working with a manufacturing company to get paid on a part-time basis to make pictures of products that you're going to design. So when you graduate my degree, you will be nationally certified, you'll have work experience, and you're also going to have your CAD associate degree. So if you like to work with computers, and if you like to work with 3D models, and you like to think mechanically and how things work, the CAD program at Mid will be a perfect fit for you. I'm so excited to have you a part of the Mid campus, and I cannot wait to have you in my class soon. Go Lakers!